Welcome to today's practice, what is called the silent scream. And the silent scream is an anger release practice where you can practice wherever you are, and it works like this. So we use our fist, bringing them under the chin, locking it in that way. This can be like this or like this under it. And then afterwards you open your jaw and you feel the resistance of the jaw opening against the fist. And I can't do both at the same time, so I first explain it and then we go through it completely. When you open it in that way, you bring the sensation of whatever experience just is connected within your feelings. And you open the jaw, and from there you really bring all the energy up in that way, and you bring it into the area of your jaw that you would like to scream, but actually you use it without making a sound. So basically it looks like this. That is the entire practice. And you will feel the resistance of your jaw, and usually we have so much tension in our jaw. And so I really would like to invite you to at first read the descriptions before you do the practice, and then you can join. Yeah? So first and foremost, you're taking a deeper breath in through the nose, fully exhale through the mouth, inhale through the nose, and exhale through the mouth. You can decide if you want to stay with your eyes open or eyes closed. Taking another breath in through the nose. Fully exhale through the mouth. From there, we're going to bring the fist under the chin. We're sitting straight up and taking a breath in. Fully exhale through the mouth, opening the mouth fully, and from there you keep breathing through the nose in and exhale. Keep doing this, and while you keep holding this under it in that way, it's really like you bring all the tension in there, opening the jaw as much as you can, and you want to scream but no sound is coming out, and you're using the tension against the chin, against the fist under it, and letting it go. Taking a deeper breath in between. Fully exhale, preparing for a second round. Breathing in, fully exhale, and from there opening the mouth, starting kind of to scream without making any sounds and pressuring the jaw down towards the fist. Holding this for another 3, 2, 1, and letting it go. From there, allow yourself to release the hands. If you feel like you can close the eyes for a moment. And sitting here in your own presence with whatever might have come up. Allowing yourself to feel and regulating yourself through the breath again. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, And exhale through the mouth. You can stay here for a little bit longer, or for everyone else, I invite you to slowly open the eyes again. And thank you for joining today's practice. Namaste.